Hey guys, what's going on? Well, it's 7 o'clock in the morning and we're gonna be installing coilovers on my friend Dodge Dart. So keep following and I'll tell you how to do it. Well, when you're waiting for your person to install the coilovers, check your media. Yep, there you go. So my compressor just finished, it's fully filled, about 135 psi, and we're ready to start. Go a little bit more. And stop. Yeah, you don't need that anymore. I'm wondering what is that? What is this plastic thing do?
I don't know.
Because okay. So remove the tires, and now let's see. So this is the sway bar links. This is the brake. We don't need that stuff. Oh yep, and the bolt right here in the back. So it looks like we need to remove one bolt, and that's it.
Alright.
Huh. So we're gonna be removing this piece, then this bolt that holds sway bar and links, and then there's one bolt holding the whole strut together, and that should pop right out. So we need to reuse the top thingies.
Well, he just said use the stock ones.
The stock ones?
Yeah, the stock ones.
Okay. It just looks like it just awesome. Easy peasy. That thing is spinning, huh? So there's a piece in the back right here. So when you lose the strut, see that? So when you're losing it, then this thing is spinning. So you have to kind of hold it together. Yep. Damn. Now what? What is holding it together? So, what is holding it together? Something is holding it together. So, when you remove this thing, it's gonna fall. Okay, so this plastic stupidness is holding the whole strut together, like this somehow. So now, because you removed everything else, this thing is loose.
Oh god.
Wow, that's kind of sketchy.
That is, yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's Dodge for you.
Jeez. I'm like, what is holding the whole thing together?
I know, it's like, what the heck?
Now we know.
Yeah, now we know. Your screwdriver.
Okay, I might need your help.
Alright, here.
Yeah, and you're gonna pull it out, but you have to kind of wiggle it.
Wiggle it? Okay.
Yeah, just like try to keep pulling it up.
Seriously?
So, to remove this stupid strut, you need to remove the actual control arm bolt, which is in the bottom. I will show you right now. It's like, where is it? Right here. So you need to remove this bolt out, so then the whole hub go down, and then you remove your stupid strut. Dodge, you couldn't make it complicated more enough. Sheesh. Well, we learn as we go. What can I say? tighten it, then I loosen it. Yeah. So he removed the sway bar first. Oh. You're kidding me, right? So we took the whole thing apart and we learned that we have to remove this control arm out. So now we have to put it back together, remove the control arm, and then remove everything else back again. Crazy. So, here, that's for you. You have to put it right here. See that thing? Yeah. So when I will lift it up a little bit, you will have to like keep pushing it down.
Push. Wait, this down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. No.
Alright,
Put it right here.
right here. Okay.
So when I will just like push it down and just hold it.
Okay.
Is it coming out?
Oh.
Huh?
This thing right here?
Yes, that's called control arm. So try to push it down right now. Why is it a pain in the ass? So we put the jack under. Now we have to remove the control arm, and to do that you need to secure it again. Which you're gonna lift it out this piece out. They put plastic around and then you're gonna hammer it down. Control arm or something like that. Well, hopefully it will work. You got it?
Those are weird lug nuts. Like reverse lug nuts.
Yeah.
Instead of the thread being on the hub down the nut.
Woo!
That's crazy. So you can't get like custom lug nuts.
Well guys, let me tell you, I gave up. I usually don't do that, but I just couldn't do anything about it. We tried to remove the control arm, that didn't go. We tried to remove some other piece, that didn't work too. Well, we did remove it, but this strut is just there and we couldn't remove it at all. So I had to put it back together. And so yeah, it was actually pretty hard, let me tell you. I work on a lot of different cars, but this one, it was just pretty crazy. How they did it, it was just insane. So yep, so hopefully I can help you guys. There's a lot of videos on YouTube you can follow and see how they did it, but It was really hard, let me tell you that. So if you have any questions, comment below, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and I hope you guys enjoy it. See you in the next video.